The Police High Command has released statistics showing that more than 1,000 rank-and-file members of the police force stayed away from their jobs last week in the mass sick-out. TVJ's O'Shane Masters has the details.
Hundreds of rank-and-file members last week staged a sick-out to contest the wage offer of 6% over 2 years being offered to them by the government. The sick-out left courts without adequate personnel, and other members of society had to step in. But how much of a hindrance was the sick-out to the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF? Deputy Commissioner of Police Clifford Blake said the effect of the protest action was significant and almost threatened the JCF's operations. Speaking on RGR's Balancing Justice Tuesday night, DCP Blake disclosed that based on their records, the number of personnel who stayed away equates to approximately 10% of the force.
An unusually high number of our members had called in sick, and at one stage I think we reached just about 1,200. Sometime last week, 10%, yes, significant number. And when you're really short, as we are right now, in excess of 2,500 persons, each member, I can tell you, especially when you work at small old state, that each member is so valuable in terms of, building a patrol to respond to crime in this area. So when you have 2 or 3 persons reporting sick, it does have significant impact.
DCP Blake noted that patrols and street enforcement activities were significantly scaled down, forcing the High Command to quickly implement contingency measures. DCP Blake also provided an update on the numbers currently reporting for duty.
As it stands right now, we have normal operation. We just the regular. We looked at the figures this morning, and that was consistent with normal behavior, normal day. So we hadn't seen any unusual spike for the past 2 days.
O'Shane Masters, TVJ News.